Mapishi Nyumbani. Today I'll teach you how to cook pumpkins. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment so as to see good video from my channel. Today I'll teach you how to cook this pumpkin as you see in the picture. So let us see how we can do first. First of all, we need to wash this pumpkin by taking fresh water. As you see, this one is the fresh water, and this our knife whereby we can use to cut it. So first of all, let us wash it. So don't forget to subscribe and like my channel so as to see good video from our channel. You need to wash it so as to remove some wastes. So if we cut it, should be cut easily with no waste remain in the knife or inside the pumpkins. As you see, our pumpkin is clearly safe. Now we can cut it into pieces so as we can use it to cook. So first of all, you can remove this one. If you're using a bush knife, will be nice to cut these pumpkins. Let us see how we cut. You can choose slice by this way direction, or you can slice through this direction. Let us cut through this direction. This is how it appeared inside. You can see we have these seeds. These are good, you don't need to remove it because you can cook it with them. So as you see here, we have done with cutting the pumpkins. Actually, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces. So we can use those pieces to cook. All you need is fresh waters, salty only. You don't need to add oil and other ingredients. So only we need to add salty and water. That's only can be used to cook these pumpkins, and they will be good and you will enjoy it. So let's tell you that this can be cooked the traditional way. All you need fresh waters, as you see, maybe 2 liters. Use a pan which will contain at least 5 or 4 liters. Make sure you put in 2 liters. All you need here is to add your pumpkins. By doing this one, you don't need to remove these seeds because I have a lot of vitamins. This can be eaten, so you don't need to remove it. So we cook it traditional way. So add it to the water. All will be good and will be cooked well. As you see, if you want to cook it well, put in these positions. Here all you need here is to find the biggest pan to cover this outside pumpkin so as it can be cooked well. Don't forget, if you're interested in for the people who don't need to, who don't use salt, they cannot add the salt. If you are not with the problem with salt, you can add it small amount of salt. So this is our source of wheat whereby we can use to cook it so as these pumpkins can be salt. This amount of salt.
Rock me, baby.
And then we use this pan to